addition that we got getting ready for this tour was getting this fridge slider added in. So we've got our drawer system and then the fridge slider, and it's just awesome because it would be really hard to get into the fridge if we didn't have it. So it works really easy. You just undo it here, pull it out, and then it tilts, which is really, really great. So it makes it really easy to just load all of your stuff into the fridge, freezer, or whatever you got. And then it's super easy just to flip it back and secure it in place. Voila.